Halo guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa lagi dengan saya Sartika, you can call me Tika. Dan di video kali ini saya akan membahas mengenai basic learning style tips, yaitu jenis gaya belajar dasar. Jenis gaya belajar dasar terbagi atas 4. Number 1, divergent. Number 2, assimilating. Number 3, converging, and number 4, accommodating. Baik, langsung saja kita beralih ke number 1, diverging. Diverging is combines learning steps of concrete experience and reflective observation. People with this learning style are best at viewing concrete situations from many points of view. Their approach to situation is to observe rather than take action. If this is your style, you might enjoy situations that call for generating a wide range of ideas, such as brainstorming sessions. You probably have broad cultural interests and like to gather information. Jadi, diverging menggabungkan langkah-langkah pembelajaran dari pengalaman yang konkret dan pengamatan reflektif. Orang dengan gaya ini paling baik dalam melihat situasi konkret dari banyak sudut pandang. Pendekatan mereka terhadap situasi adalah mengamati daripada mengambil tindakan. Jika ini adalah gaya Anda mungkin suka situasi yang membutuhkan banyak ide. Seperti sesi curah pendapat, Anda mungkin memiliki minat budaya yang luas dan suka mengumpulkan informasi. Okay, next. Number 2, assimilating. Assimilating is combines learning steps of reflective observation and abstract conceptualization. People with this learning style are best at understand a wide range of information and putting it into concise, logical form. If this is your learning style, you probably are less focused on people and more interested in abstract ideas and concepts. Generally, people with this learning style find it more important that a theory have logical soundness than practical value. Jadi, asimilasi menggabungkan langkah-langkah pembelajaran observasi reflektif dan konseptualisasi abstrak. Orang dengan gaya ini paling baik dalam memahami berbagai informasi dan menuangkannya ke dalam bentuk yang ringkas dan logis. Jika ini adalah gaya belajar Anda mungkin kurang fokus pada orang dan lebih tertarik pada ide dan konsep abstrak. Umumnya, orang-orang dengan gaya ini merasa lebih penting bahwa sebuah teori memiliki ketepatan logis daripada nilai praktis. Okay, next. Number 3, converging. Converging is combines learning steps of abstract conceptualization and active experimentation. People with this learning style are best at finding practical uses for ideas and theories. If this is your preferred learning style, you have the ability to solve problems and make decisions based on finding solutions to questions or problems. You would rather deal with technical tasks and problems than with social and interpersonal issues. Jadi, converging menggabungkan langkah-langkah pembelajaran konseptualisasi abstrak dan eksperimen aktif. Orang dengan gaya ini paling baik menemukan kegunaan praktis untuk ide dan teori. Jika ini adalah gaya Anda memiliki kemampuan untuk memecahkan masalah dan membuat keputusan berdasarkan solusi atas pertanyaan atau masalah. Anda lebih suka berurusan dengan tugas dan masalah teknis daripada dengan masalah sosial dan antar pribadi. Okay, next, finally, accommodating. Accommodating is combines learning steps of active experimentation and concrete experience. People with this learning style have the ability to learn primarily from hands-on experience. If this is your style, you probably enjoy carrying out plans and involving yourself in new and challenging experience. Your tendency might be to act on gut feelings rather than on logical analysis. In solving problems, you might rely more heavily on people for information than on your own technical analysis. Jadi, akomodasi menggabungkan langkah-langkah pembelajaran eksperimen aktif dan pengalaman yang konkret. Orang dengan gaya ini memiliki kemampuan untuk belajar, terutama dari pengalaman langsung. Jika ini adalah gaya Anda mungkin menikmati melaksanakan rencana dan melibatkan diri Anda dalam pengalaman baru dan menantang. Kecenderungan Anda mungkin untuk bertindak berdasarkan firasat daripada analisis logis. Dalam memecahkan masalah, Anda mungkin lebih mengandalkan orang untuk mendapatkan informasi daripada analisis teknik sendiri. Baik, itulah tadi beberapa penjelasan saya mengenai basic learning style tips. Dan saya akhiri dengan menjawab beberapa pertanyaan-pertanyaan di samping. Pertanyaan pertama, if you have a diverging learning style, would you like to put a new idea immediately into practice? So, my answer is I will test it, because I really like new things. For that, I will try something that I just found out and come across. Of course, if I respect that new things. Number 2, if you have an assimilating learning style, would you like to read about theories? Yes, of course, I really like it, especially if it is related to history, both domestic and foreign history. Okay, number 3, if you have a converging learning style, would you like helping two colleagues resolve an argument? Yes, of course, I will help because I like peace. Of course, if they want to be helped, then I will be a third party to reconcile them. Okay, number 4. If you have an accommodating learning style, would you like to try out something new rather than read about it? My answer? I really like new things, but I also really like reading. There is a chance I try both, because by reading we can find out information that makes us even more interested in trying it. Okay, number 5. Decide which learning style best describes your way of learning and tell another students. My answer? Actually, I feel it is in all four, be it divergent, assimilating, convergent, and accommodating. But I feel more to accommodating. Why? Because I really like to read and try new things. I will always find out what I need to know through reading and try it if it is worth trying.